Welcome to FoodInvites. Your business, your control. Menus in menu management. Your customers are welcomed by your menus first of all. They are one of the best mediums to build the brand and engage customers immediately. Even though a paper menu serves the purpose. But customers increasingly love using digital menus, as they are easy, quick, updated, and most importantly, contactless. Let's learn how to add a menu using the menu wizard. Log in and arrive at Launchpad. Scroll down and get to the menu management section. Launch the menu dashboard by clicking on Menu App. On the top, we observe Quick Actions. There are two ways to create menus. The first method is creating using Menu Wizard. And the second way is to start a brand new menu from scratch. We recommend using the Menu Wizard as it is the easiest and fastest way to create a menu. The Pending Actions displays potential issues with your menus. A click on Pending Actions shows how to fix them. The URL Launcher widget displays a link to your website and menu site, which is seen by the customers. With the help of the URL Launcher widget, you can republish or unpublish any of your menus. After making changes to the menu, you need to republish so that those changes are visible to the customers. In case you wish to hide a menu for some time, you can unpublish and the customers will no longer be able to see the menu. If you have not already watched videos of products, product groups, and menu groups, it is strongly recommended to watch them for a better understanding of the menu. The Menu Wizard is the easiest and fastest way to start with a new menu. The idea is to choose a menu, which is similar to the menu you need as a starting point, and modifies it afterwards to match all products on your menu. Now, click on the Menu Wizard. You will observe a list of pre-configured menus on the menu selector screen. Scroll down to see all pre-configured menus. You can also search menus by your business type. For example, let's try to find Punjabi Dhaba menu, and we find it here. Let's look at the Punjabi Dhaba menu, expand and look at the menu groups, and products. Select a menu which is similar to your menu. Click Next. On the next screen, as shown in the dialog, you can remove the product groups or menu groups which are not part of the menu. Let's remove a couple of products and product groups. You should carefully remove the product groups and products which are not part of your menus. Don't worry if your menu groups and product groups names are different. You can later rename them. You can also continue without removing anything. Then click Next. On the preview menu screen, validate if everything is good. Click Next. Great, you have successfully created a new menu. Go to Menu Dashboard and look for your newly created menu with the new icon. Next, you need to customize and prepare your menu with availability and pricing. Please observe the newly added menu in the menu grid. It features a new icon and a new URL widget for your new menu. Click on the newly added menu, and the menu builder will pop up. In Menu Builder, you'll notice menu groups, and products according to your menu. A context menu will appear in front of each product group, and menu group. With the help of the context menu, you can edit, remove, publish, or duplicate. You may use the context menu of the newly added menu to duplicate, edit, remove, share, generate a QR code, and publish. Choose Edit to update the product. You can enter the menu name in different languages according to your need. You can also add a description in different languages. If you want to add more menu groups to your menu, then click on Edit and choose from the existing menu group that you made earlier. Or you can choose from the library. To create a new menu group, you can use the Create option. Let's add biryanis and more menu groups to our menu. If you have not already watched, please watch our menu groups video to learn how to add a menu group from the library. or create a new menu group from the scratch. Next, you have the choice to add product groups or not, depending on your needs. So if you want to add product groups, add those product groups that were not previously added to the menu groups. Click on Edit, and you can choose from the existing product groups or you can create your own. If you have not already watched, please watch our product group video to learn how to create a product group or add it from the library. Let's add the product groups we made earlier, such as the dal, veg main course, veg starter, and non-veg main course as product groups. Next, we will learn to add products to our newly created menu. This is useful if you have products that do not fall into any menu group or product group. If you have not already watched, please watch our products video to learn how to create or add from the library. After selecting the products, click Save. Observe that, by clicking on the Advanced setting, you get more options. Then go back to Menu Dashboard and publish your Punjabi Dhaba menu. In case you wish to hide a menu for some time, you can unpublish and the customer no longer will be able to see the menu. Your menu will be visible to customers when you publish your menu. If you make any changes to the menu, you must click Republish to make those changes visible to customers. After publishing the Punjabi Dhaba menu, you can click on the context menu and select QR code. From there, you can choose whether you want a QR code for a table or a stand, and customize the QR code by clicking on Customize your QR. And you can also print the QR code for your menus. Reordering. Sometimes, you need to reorder your products in menus to highlight or arrange products. Product groups. Or menu groups in a certain order so that it is helpful for customers. You can use the sort command to quickly reorder as per your liking. Let's see how we can change the ordering with the help of the sort command. First, click on the context menu of your Punjabi Dhaba menu and select Edit from the list of options. Now, scroll down until you see the menu group section and click on Edit. Here, you will see the sort option at the top right corner. Click on it, and you will be able to rearrange your menu groups by simply dragging and dropping them to the desired position. Once you've arranged your menu groups, don't forget to click on Save Ordering to save the changes. Similarly, you can also sort the product groups. Let's take a look at how our menu looks by clicking on the URL Visit, which will display your menus on the live site as they appear to the customer. The best menu structure for your business depends upon many factors. We hope through this demo, you learned the available options to design your own menu by identifying menu groups and product groups and ordering them for the best experience for your customers. In case you need any support, please feel free to connect with us on our WhatsApp support channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at FoodInvites. Thanks for watching. Click on the next video to learn how to create a new menu from scratch with FoodInvites Menus app.